In this video, let me show you how to log in to your US bank. If you are also enrolled for the US bank online banking, then in this video, let me show you how you can log into it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right into it. Either you can log into your US online banking using the mobile app, or you can also do it from the website. For the website, you need to search for usbank.com and it's going to take you to its website. Now from the website on the top right, you'll see this login option. If you click on it, you can see this drop down menu, which is a login form. Now before you log in, if you want to log into your online banking, make sure that online banking is selected. Other than this, if you click on this arrow, you can also log into different types of accounts, as you can see. So if you have any other type of account other than online banking, you can click on any one of them and then type in your details. For the online banking, choose the online banking option and then start off by typing in your username. This is the username that you created while signing up for the online banking. And secondly, you need to also type in the password. If you don't remember your credentials, you can click on Get Login Help and follow further steps to recover either your username or your password. If you want this device to remember your username, the next time you log in, you can check this box. So this way, next time you open up this website, you don't need to type in your username. But you'll need to avoid this step if you're not using your personal device. So once you fill in both of these information, you can just click on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of US Bank. If this video helped you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more daily tutorials. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.